Welcome back. How can we say in Estonian would not like to, would not pay, would not buy? The negative A should be added to the X. Ei tahaks, would not like, ei maksaks, would not pay, ei ostaks, would not buy. You need to take off the ending N from the I form, and instead of that use the ending X. And you have to add A in front of the verb. Let's see how it is with different persons. Ma ei tahaks, I would not like to. Sa ei tahaks, you would not like to. Ta ei tahaks, he, she would not like to. Me ei tahaks, we would not like to. Te ei tahaks, you would not like to. Nad ei tahaks, they would not like to. Ma ei tahaks nüüd rohkem rääkida. I would not like to talk anymore now. Bye bye.